Question number 4. Suppose the length of rectangular box is 7 centimeters and breadth is 11 centimeters. Find the value of the height is 5 centimeter, second 9 centimeter, third 13 centimeters. Find the linear pattern representing the volume of the rectangular box. Length is equal to 7 centimeter, breadth is 11 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to length 7 into breadth 11 into height is 5. 7 into 11 77 into 5 product is 385 centimeter cube. Second height 9 centimeter. Volume of rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to length 9 into breadth is 11 into height is 9. 7 into 11 77 into 9 is equal to product is 693 centimeter cube. Third height 13 centimeters. Volume of rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 7 into breadth is 11 into height is 13 is equal to 7 into 11 77 into 13. 77 into 13 product 1001